Hi, I'm Rich with insideHPC. We're here at SC12 in Salt Lake City. We're here at the Mellanox booth. I'm here with Todd Wilde. Okay, let's start at the beginning for folks that might not know.
Okay.
Who is Mellanox and who do you help?
So Mellanox is a high-speed interconnect provider. We connect high-speed compute nodes and server nodes and storage nodes together. And for this show, it's a perfect show for us because we provide a great interconnect for HPC servers and big supercomputers.
So in this space, it's all about performance and low latency. Is that what Mellanox brings to the table?
So it is about performance. It's about bandwidth, latency, but it's more than that as well. You really need to look at the applications that are run on HPC, and you need to provide features for those to run effectively. So while Mellanox provides the lowest latency and the highest bandwidth interconnect, we also provide a rich set of features to help the application run efficiently, such as accelerations and offloads that specifically work with HPC applications.
So specifically, we're talking about like MPI applications in general, right?
We're talking about MPI, we're talking about one-sided communication, we work with SHMEM, we work with PGAS and MPI. So we're really concentrating on those and providing to those libraries things like collective offloads and accelerations to help them run efficiently and at large scale. So scaling out to thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of cores.
Well, I wanted to ask you about what's been going on this week with Mellanox. I mean, certainly we had TOP500. How'd you do there?
So Mellanox and InfiniBand in general did awesome on the TOP500. Since the last ISC, we really broke through, and now we're the #1 interconnect on the TOP500. We actually added to that. We went from 209 systems in ISC to 224 systems this release. So 224 InfiniBand systems, #1. Also, our FDR Interconnect, which is our 56 gigabits per second interconnect, more than doubled its presence on the TOP500 list with over 40 systems.
In just 6 months, you made that.
In just 6 months.
That's all right, Todd.
Actually, 5 months.
5 months. Well, yeah, you're right. Right. It's not December yet.
Right.
Okay.
This is why SC always sneaks up on me.
It does. It really does. Well, I'd be remiss if I didn't ask you about what's new product-wise at Mellanox this week, and what'd you roll out?
We had a lot of things that we rolled out this week. I think our most exciting was our Connect IB HCA. And you know, we announced it at ISC, but now we're really showing the benefit of Connect IB at the show. We have a demo where we're showing 100 gigabits per second over a single interface or a single HCA with InfiniBand. The first time ever anyone's been able to do 100 gigabits a second.
Is that on an application measure performance, or is that just doing
No, that's doing actual real from the user space, real data transfers over over multiple flows over 2 FDR ports, 100 gigabits a second.
Very impressive.
And the Connect IB part as well. Really expands on our capabilities to help the application that use lots of messages. We've actually increased our message rate over 4 times from previous technologies. And in the demo, we're showing 138 million messages a second over that card.
So why is message rate important in something like an MPI application?
Because lots of MPI applications are sending very small amounts of data. These small amounts of data mean lots and lots of packets that fill up the network. So you have to be able to provide the facilities to get all of these packets out onto the network and not hold up the application. So the more messages that you can allow the application to send, the better off the application will be.
Okay. Anything else new with SwitchX? Is there a new generation there?
Yeah, there's a SwitchX2 device that we've announced. We're really increasing our capabilities with SDN, or software-defined networking. You know, InfiniBand has been using software-defined networking since the beginning with our OpenSM kind of centralized management technology, but now we're extending that capabilities into the Ethernet world with our 40 gig Ethernet technology, and SwitchX2 is providing that.
That's great, Todd, because you know I put up a talk a couple months ago about SDN. I didn't think the HPC world would be interested. The hits on that were through the roof.
I can believe it.
Yeah,
I can believe it.
So, well, hey, thanks for sharing this with us today.
Sure, thanks, Rich.